Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to the Blue Line Metals Edge here for Monday, February 13th. I'm Phillip Streible, Chief Market Strategist at Blue Line Futures. If you haven't done so, go to our YouTube page, Blue Line Futures, and like and subscribe to our videos. Help us grow this channel and spread the word about Blue Line Futures and everything we can offer here, especially on the research side. And if you haven't done so, go to our website, bluelinefutures.com, highlight over research, and sign up for a free 2-week trial. You put in your basic contact information, and we'll get you out a bunch of good content on those particular markets. Now, getting into it today, some of these futures, they've got a bit of a hangover going from that Super Bowl last night. You got the volatility index coming down. You've also got gold working its way lower. Same thing with silver, down about 1%. And it's kind of surprising because it comes on the heels of the dollar index showing some weakness. Now, we do have an eventful week here. We only had one thing today. We had an FOMC speaker out, but getting into it, we got the CPI, the month-over-month, the year-over-year, the core CPI. We've also got industrial production coming out, and then we've got the PPI data on Thursday. So it's going to be a pretty volatile week again in these markets. I don't know if I'd necessarily trust the rally we have going on in U.S. equities at the moment because of the fact that the volume is significantly off. Now, if you get into it, this is a daily dollar index chart. We had this move up here. It was a 3-day move, pushed up, triggered some longs on the trend following systems. And then since then, we've been sideways to lower. It's a little bit disappointing because when you get into the gold market, that's really been failing. And it actually did trigger some shorts on a longer term trend following system. So we'll want to see, how much momentum does this have? Because the DMI plus and minus, they're pretty flat. We've definitely been oversold territory and just kind of hanging out. Here's the silver chart, kind of the same pattern as the gold. I'd really like to see it kind of hold this level that was old resistance, now new support, and then see if this market could bounce and turn back up from here. So the other metals here, you got platinum finally bouncing off that critical support level. You got copper futures working its way back up, consolidating a bit. And then you got your treasury yields. Those are still going up at the moment. So it's been a tough trade, just kind of back and forth, not only from an interest rate standpoint, the metals standpoint, and the currencies as well. So a lot of these foreign currencies, if they start turning their way back up, Canadian dollar really got some strength here with the crude oil market pushing back up. And also they've got some better economic data. The euro currency just holding sideways. So a lot of these, the metal markets, we really want to see this dollar work its way back lower, and then you can get that push back up on some of those precious metals. Looking in the softs here, not a lot of action going on across the board. Cocoa working its way back up, but it's like silver, it's worked in this consolidation zone. Coffee just sitting sideways. Sugar might have had a double top here. We're going to have to keep an eye on it. Natural gas not really doing anything. You got 50-degree weather in February in Chicago, so that demand's going to come down quite a bit. But you have any questions, futures option trading, give us a call. Be sure to subscribe to our research. If you need additional information, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading does involve risk of loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trade.